Thanks. Oh man, that's good. So good. What's up, everybody? Chef John here with my my boy JT. He's gonna be helping me make a really cool mac and cheese recipe today. It's super simple. We actually got the pasta cooking right now, and you're gonna be surprised at how easy it is. But you know what? Everybody that I make it for loves it. You can be very creative with it. So you can add different flavorings to the mac and cheese. You can mess around with the toppings a little bit. JT, his favorite topping is the basic topping, which is just like the toasted buttery panko. All right, let's get started. All right, so while the pasta's cooking, I think it's pretty close. I'm gonna have JT give it a try and see. One of the most important things I think for this recipe is whatever pasta you choose to use,
it needs to be a little bit soft.
Yeah, you gotta cook it a little bit more than it says on the package, so it's soft. Because we're really not gonna cook it much more than that. So let's see what JT thinks here. It's pretty hot right now, so I'll put it in a separate bowl, and you can give it a try.
Just gonna let it cool down for a second.
Yeah. But he's a good tester of the doneness of pasta. So let's see. What do you think? It's cold?
It's good.
It's good?
Mm-hmm.
Ready to go. All right, we're going to drain it out now. All right, so while the pasta's draining, JT's going to take 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Wait, do you have a 1.5 teaspoon or?
No, we have to put 3/2 teaspoons.
Nice. We just started school, so we got to do some math here too, which is cool. 1,
2, 3.
Awesome. And then he's going to put a quart of heavy cream in the pot.
How much is that?
The whole thing. There's 4 cups in there. So you're going to put all 4 cups in. Just pour it slow, because otherwise it's going to splash all over the place. Kids love to make messes, right?
I mean, I do.
All right, so we're going to turn on the heat now and bring this to a boil. While the pasta's draining, it'll be perfect. Once that comes to a boil, we're going to add the pasta, stir it around, add the cheese. That's it. We're done. All right, before JT eats all the pasta, before the mac and cheese is made, let's finish this up. How many cups of pasta do you have in that bowl right there?
5.
We have 5. How many do we need for the recipe?
6.
All right, let's get that last one in. The cream is just starting to boil. This is a quick recipe. I'm gonna add the pasta to the just boiling cream. All right, now we're adding that cheese
Holding.
into the mac and cheese. All of it. So that's 8 ounces or 2 cups of cheddar cheese. All right. Mac and cheese is done. It's still very hot, which is perfect for adding all the fillings if you'd like. If you want to add bacon, we have broccoli and bacon here, but we can do short ribs, we can do truffle oil, pulled pork, taco meat. There's so many different ways to flavor this mac and cheese, and it's all delicious. And then in terms of toppings, you got JT's favorite, which is the buttered toasted panko, breadcrumbs. You could do crispy onions, you crumble up Cheetos, you can crumble up potato chips, whatever it is. You can have no toppings if you want. And then also, this recipe is really, really awesome with gluten-free pasta. So use your favorite gluten-free pasta. I have a couple that I like. But definitely use something that doesn't fall apart. You know, some of them fall apart pretty easily. So use something that's a little firmer. I use a Barilla penne a lot. It really holds up really well. So, but I'm sure JT's hungry. I can hear his stomach growling a little bit. So let's feed the beast. Okay, here we go. 1. Is that enough?
2.
2?
Yeah.
All right.
And then 2 scoops of breadcrumbs.
2 scoops of breadcrumbs. There you go. Got your spoon there.
Right here.
I'm actually going to go for a bacon and broccoli mac and cheese. Absolutely delicious. Throw some breadcrumbs on there. Stir it up. I love sriracha too, so I'd probably put sriracha on this if I had it right now.
Mine, bussin'.
Mine, fire.
Right?
Are you ready?
Okay.
Too heavy for you? Nice. Oh man, that's good. So good. Guys, want to thank you for watching. We're very excited to share this mac and cheese recipe with you. It's cool. It's a simple recipe you saw. With a little bit of help, JT was able to make it as well. So cool stuff. Thank you so much. Have a
See you
wonderful
later.
day.